In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CJ Flash Order to place orders faster in MT4 and MT5. If you've ever fumbled through the new order window manually typing in your entry, stop loss, and take profit, only to get hit with a frustrating invalid SL or TP error right as the market's moving, this tool exists specifically to solve that problem. Let's dive right in. CJ Flash Order is a trading utility, essentially an expert advisor, available on the MQL5 market for both MT4 and MT5, built around one core idea. Instead of typing your trade details into a form, you place them by clicking directly on the chart itself, and the tool handles the calculations behind the scenes. To get it, head into the MQL5 market, either right inside your MT4 or MT5 platform through the Market tab, or through your browser at mql5.com. Search for CJ Flash Order, and here's an important detail worth double-checking. MT4 and MT5 have separate listings for it, so make sure you're grabbing the version that actually matches the platform you're running, since they're not interchangeable. Once you've got it, installing it works just like any other expert advisor. Open your Navigator panel, and you should see it listed under Expert Advisors. Simply drag it onto any open chart to attach it. Before it'll actually respond to anything, though, make sure auto trading or algo trading, depending on your version, is switched on in your toolbar, since MT4 and MT5 block any E from acting until that's enabled. Here's where things actually get faster once it's running. Rather than opening the standard order window and manually entering your price levels, which is exactly where most of those invalid SL or TP errors and typos creep in, you simply click and drag directly on the chart to set your entry, stop loss, and take profit visually. The tool automatically works out your volume and order type based on where you've placed those levels, so you're not doing that math by hand or second guessing whether a number you typed actually makes sense. One quick note before you dive in with real money: since every trading panel E lays its buttons and click zones out a little differently, it's genuinely worth spending a few minutes getting comfortable with this one on a demo account first, just so you know exactly where everything sits before you're relying on it in a live, fast-moving market. The product's own MQL5 page usually has a short demo clip showing the panel in action, which is worth a quick watch before your first real trade. And that's the core idea. Click and drag your levels straight on the chart instead of typing them into a form, and let the tool handle the volume and order type calculations for you. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.